Okay, so here is our demonstration. I'll try to sing it right. I think I got it. Okay, so I sent you the chord chart so it's just the G, C, and then E minor. And so your left hand can go like right here in the C scale. So you would play the G, C, E, and your right hand's going to be moving. Okay, so the song just starts with that one G. So we're going to play the G with both hands, but we're going to pulse with this hand. So we're going to go one. So that I think 8 times all together. All right, so let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can play the chord. And you can pulse the chord too. So you can go 1. I thought you would stay for a while. Thought I'd be okay for a while. I counted the days to respond, all the ways to respond to you. Did I already tell you that joke? 'Cause you already know how it goes. I feel like I'm talking too much, or I don't say enough. I guess I'm annoying. So this part is low. We're gonna work on our low voice. So we're gonna go low, but the second time she does it, it does go higher. I guess I'm annoying. Sitting at home in my paranoia, but I really adore ya. Now we're gonna go higher. Okay, so the chorus, we're gonna start on our G. And this is called our head voice. So Aria, we talked a little bit about our head voice, where we go, ah, it's like you're a little fairy, ha. So we're gonna need to get in our head voice here. Sometimes I feel like I'm crazy, like all my friends hate me, overthinking alone. So then, overthink, it's G, G, D. Overthinking alone, no one picks up their phone. My anxiety tells me that you're better without me. Now I'm crying alone, no one picks up their phone. So somebody save me, save me, save me. Do all my friends hate me, hate me, hate me? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. There you go. So that's basically how it goes. Okay, Aria, so the second pre-chorus part, you know how the first time she went, I guess I'm annoying, sitting at home in my paranoia. See, it's low, but the second time you're gonna go an octave higher. So instead of this G, I guess, you're gonna go this G, I guess I'm annoying, sitting at home in my paranoia, but I really adore ya. So you're gonna go higher on that part. And then let's do the chorus one more time, because Aria, if we can get the chorus, we're set to go. So here's our G, or it starts on the G, but it's a C chord. Sometimes I feel like I'm crazy, like all my friends hate me, overthinking alone. No one picks up their phone. My anxiety tells me that you're better without me. Now I'm crying alone, no one picks up their phone. So somebody save me, save me, save me. Do all my friends hate me, hate me, hate me? I don't know. And I know that she has a bridge part. I think for our recital, we're going to skip the bridge just because of time's sake. We're going to shorten the time a little bit. Now, of course, Aria, if you want to learn the bridge, we can definitely do that. So you're going to go, am I just going crazy? So you know how before we were pulsing, but the outro, we're just going to stay still. Am I just going crazy? Feels like all my friends hate me. Overthinking alone, no one picks up their phone. So you're just going to end with a really simple thing like that. Okay, Aria, I hope that that helps you a little bit this week. We've got time to work on it, so we're going to make it sound good, and we're going to make sure our vocals are sounding good too. So hopefully that helped. Let me know if I can help any more, and we will work on it next time. Okay, bye, Aria.